Hello everyone, my name is Sanket and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw legs in comic book style step by step. So make sure to stick around till the end of this video. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started right after this intro. So the first step is to draw 5 equidistant lines corresponding to the height of 4 heads. This will mark the length of the leg and its different parts like crotch, knee and ankle, which I will write on the page later. Here you can see me drawing those lines. Now I need to draw the basic shape of the leg. So I am drawing 2 bean-like shapes in between those lines. These shapes kind of define the contour of the leg on the inner and the outer sides. On the inner side, the leg is more or less straight in nature, but on the outer side it is slightly curved. As we have now defined the shape of the leg, all we need to do is to add the muscles and see where each of those muscles connect. The first line defines the position of the crotch, the third line is for the bottom of the kneecap, and the last line is for the ankle and foot. And I am defining the contour by the help of arrows on the inner and the outer sides. I am drawing a D-like shape for the kneecap, and at this point I have started roughing in the muscles. I am darkening up the lines a little bit with the H pencil which I am holding right now. Soon I will draw in the muscles and refine them on the upper part of the leg. The position where my pencil is right now, there lies the muscle called vastus internus, probably because it lies on the inner side of the leg. Now I am drawing the big muscle at the thigh, the name of which I don't really remember right now. Actually, you don't need to know the name of each and every muscle there in the leg. As long as you know their positions and how they connect with each other, you are good to go. That muscle is called vastus externus, and it is also named like that because it lies on the external or the outer side of the leg. And that muscle in the middle is called rectus femoris. These three muscles are tear-shaped muscles and are very important muscles of the upper leg. Now I am drawing in the calves on the lower leg, and there you see the arrows which I am showing to show the flow of muscles and ankle. These muscles follow a zigzag like path as I am showing on the page right now, and I am darkening the lines with the pencil, and there comes the foot. And at this point we are pretty much done, but there are 2-3 muscles which I will draw right now. As you can see, I am darkening up the lines a little bit because now the lines are final and I am sure that I don't need to erase or change anything. Inclined muscle which I drew right now on the upper leg, which is called the sartorius muscle, and it divides the 3 muscles from the crotch. And now you can see me drawing those 2-3 muscles on the lower leg. One of the muscles connect right behind the ankle on the outer side, and the other connects with the ankle on the inner side. These muscles help in the movement of the foot. Now keep in mind that although most of the superheroes' costume are skin tight, these lines of muscles are not going to show up. But in order to draw the body of superhero believable to the eye, you kind of have to know where each of these muscles are. So you can see those muscles there. Now I am defining the source of light, which is from above, and drawing the shadows based on the source of light is very important, as it adds the sense of depth in the drawing. Since the light is right above, anything turning away from the light will have shadows and will be darkened up. So I am defining the shadows on each of those muscles on the upper leg so as to give them a sense of roundness, and I am I also added the shadows for the kneecap. You can see there. Now switching to the lower leg, I am drawing in the shadows, and leg is almost complete. Now the only thing left is a little bit of rendering. Now I am darkening the lines a little bit and adding line widths to every part which turns away from the light. Here I am rendering the muscle, and by the process of cross hatching and completing up the process of drawing the front view of this right leg. Very soon I will show you guys how to draw the back view of this leg. First you have to mark the lines for the crotch, knee, ankle again. Then you have to draw the two same bean like shapes like we did for the front view, but this time they will be laterally inverted. They will be drawn as if you are drawing them for the left leg, but laterally inverted. As soon as you have those shapes done, you can start roughing in the muscles. These muscles are very less complicated than that in the front view. You can see me drawing these muscles right there. Then you have to add the shadows, keeping in mind that the light source is right above, and then add the line widths accordingly. Now I will do some cross hatching and the leg will be complete. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you learned something from it. If you did, please give it a like. This is my first tutorial video. If you are new to this channel, I draw comic book characters and upload videos every week. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any of my videos. See you in the next video. Bye.